Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka. Moka's core function is automated investing and saving, primarily through its roundup feature. This means Moka automatically rounds up your debit or credit card purchases to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change for you. It's designed to make saving and investing effortless. When it comes to traditional budgeting or expense tracking tools, Moka's focus is more on the investing side. It is not typically categorized as a comprehensive budgeting or expense tracking app in the same way that dedicated personal finance managers are. However, the app does provide some features that relate to financial awareness. Moka connects to your bank accounts to facilitate the roundup feature, so it does have visibility into your transactions. This data is used to automate your investing and to help you set and track financial goals within the app, such as a down payment or a trip. The app also includes a wealth calculator to help you project your financial future based on your contributions. In summary, Moka is an automated investing app first, using roundups as its main saving mechanism. While it tracks your spending to enable the roundups, it generally does not offer the detailed, customizable budgeting categories and in-depth expense analysis features that are the hallmark of dedicated budgeting software. If your main goal is easy, automated micro-investing, Moka is a great tool. If you need robust, manual control over every budget line item and detailed spending reports, you may want to use a separate, dedicated budgeting app alongside Moka. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.